Hello everyone, it's Michelle Gilmartin here with another Technique Tuesday, and I'm continuing on with the upgrade features in the Luminaire and Solaris 3 upgrade. So what we have here is the new 10 by 10 magnetic hoop. I was really excited to see a hoop that was a little bit bigger and yet still had the qualities of the magnetic hoop. I love the qualities of the magnetic hoop. It holds my fabric really tight. It's easy to move fabric, but I just wanted a little bit bigger sewing area. So this fit the bill. So I'm just going to start by the hoop comes with this little tool, and the little tool helps you get underneath the magnets to kind of lift it up so that you can pull it off of the hoop. Just going to set this aside, and I'm going to go ahead and just take all of my magnets off. You can see there's a pretty tight grab there, which is why I'm really excited about the bigger size, because it really does hold things very, very tight. And so on this one, I'm going to look at how I'm going to direct my fabric, because once I finish this part of the video, I'm going to go on to those really big designs. They're like 3 pieces. They have connectivity via pattern connection with the snowman positioning markers. So I'm going to do it using this hoop, and I've already prepped my fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and get my first step put over the hoop. So I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm just going to set it over. So the thing with these is you want to start in the middle and drag them over. Now, when I go to move to the second place, I'm going to be sliding my fabric that way. So I know that I want to end up with 2 short ones this way, because those are the ones I'm going to leave on while I drag my fabric over. So I am going to go ahead and put this one here. There's some arrows on it. Arrows point out no matter which direction you're going. So that one's on, and that one's on. And then I'm just going to come straight across, and I'm going to smooth my fabric out as I come across, and you see that it gets all of the wrinkles out of your fabric. And then I'm going to do the same here. Now remember, I want 2 short ones at the top here and the bottom down here, because these are the ones I'm going to leave on when I slide my fabric back. They're going to hold my fabric straight for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 on. And then this one. And this one. Okay, so once I've got this last one on here, I'm going to double check to make sure all of my arrows are pointing outward, and they are. And I'm ready to take this over and put it on the machine. All right, so one thing to remember is you need to leave some space here in the corners so that you can get the hoop on and off. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide it into place. All right. And let's see what design we're going to go to. So this is, I'm going to stop this video at this point because it shows getting the hoop, the fabric hooped. And it shows the size area of the 10 by 10 magnetic hoop and how to get it on the machine. So this is going to have a follow-up video from here forward on actually shifting the fabric and doing one of the large designs.